Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? Hopefully you are fine. Okay beta, today we will do the remaining exercise of our chapter Pinocchio the Puppet. But before that we have to mention classwork and after that date, which is Wednesday 2nd December 2020. Your subject is English literature. Textbook read now. Topic Pinocchio the Puppet. Okay, it is on page number 75. So today we will do question answers and we have I think 15 question answers. So we will do half today and half on tomorrow. Okay? So let's start. Open your notebooks. So exercise number 3 is answer these questions. What was the title of the story? You will do this question on your book. So the title of the story was Pinocchio the Puppet. You know the title of the story? The name of the story. What is the title? The name of the story. What was the name of the joiner? What is the meaning of joiner? Joiner is the person who can join something. Okay, usually it is used for carpenter type person. You will also do this question on your book. The name of the joiner was Mr. Cherry. What was the name of the joiner? Mr. Cherry. Who asked him for a bit of wood? Bit of wood, piece of wood. Piece of wood. Who asked for the piece of wood? If you remember that, there was a person named Geppetto. Some people read it Geppetto. That is not incorrect. So the proper pronunciation of this name is Geppetto. Okay, Geppetto asked him for a bit of wood. What was the name of the person? Geppetto. Why did he want the piece of wood? You will do question number 3 on book also. So from here you will start writing these questions on your notebooks. Okay. Okay beta, hopefully you can understand. If you have any kind of problem, you know that how to contact me. Why did he want the piece of wood? Why did he want the piece of wood? If you remember the story, he wants to make the clever puppet. What did he want to make? He wants to make the clever puppet. As you can see in the picture, this is Geppetto and this is Mr. Cherry. He is here to want the bit of wood to make the puppet. Why did he want the piece of wood or bit of wood to make the puppet? He wanted the proper answer of this question. He wanted a piece of wood to make a clever puppet. Okay, question number 5. What happened when Mr. Cherry struck the wood with the axe? What happened when Mr. Cherry struck the wood with the axe? As you can see in the picture, Mr. Cherry is about to struck the wood. So what will happen? It hit him hard. He heard a little voice. When he was about to struck the wood, he heard the little voice, please do not hit me hard. So now the proper answer of this question, he heard a little voice, please do not hit me hard. You will write it in inverted commas, okay? When he struck the wood with his axe. So this was question number 5. We will do 8 questions today. So question number 6, why did Geppetto become very angry? If you remember the story, why did the Geppetto become very angry? Yes, you are correct. Geppetto became very angry because the wood struck on his leg. Wood struck on his leg. When he started to carve the wood into a puppet, the wood struck on his leg. Where did Geppetto live? If you remember the story, Geppetto lived in a little room at the top of long flights of stairs. Okay, question number 8. What happened when he started to smoothen the piece of wood? He heard the little voice say, stop it, you are tickling me. Now, as you can see in the picture, the man is astonished and he is carving the puppet. So he heard the little voice saying, stop it, you are tickling me. You know the meaning of tickling, I already explained during our lecture. So beta, this was our topic for today. Hopefully it will be easy for you to understand. You have to write it on your English literature notebooks. Prepare your page properly. Mention date, full date. Okay? Classwork, your topic, exercise, draw margin line, underline topic and exercise. And kindly all students complete your work. Okay beta, take care. Allah Hafiz.